JP, you know it's fuego.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Snicker Prince, and today I'll be talking about braids. And there's nothing more beautiful like braids, man. I love it. I love it. It's like one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen on a woman. Braid. I said one off. Don't crucify me. One off. There's a lot of beautiful things. Everything on a woman is beautiful. Okay, so don't attack me. But yeah, what I'm saying is like, French braid, Dutch braid, fishtail braid, box braid, whatever braid, Rihanna braid. Yeah, but I like it. I like it. There's just something beautiful about women wearing braid. Like the nice pattern, the symmetry, and the dimension, 3 dimension. I don't know. I think it's the Dutch braid with the 3 dimension and French braid with the I love the French braid with the polish experience, and yeah, I just like it. Um, I don't know, the intricate pattern. I just love the patterns. I just something about it, and seeing a woman with a clean, nice braid, and just watching her take care of her hair just shows a lot of responsibility. It's like that beauty just got me high. I don't want to say the other word, but just got me on high horse. I don't know. I just choosing words, but I hope that gelling with what I'm saying. But yeah, braids is just one of the beautiful things. Seeing a black queen wear that, like going on a date and seeing a girl wearing a nice braid, and sometimes she have that little edge. The edge is just laid properly. I'm like, damn, damn. And also really the side. It's not really sideburn. I don't know if it's sideburn. It's called sideburn, I think. But yeah, just something like that. Beautiful, nice, shiny, lustrous braid. Man, women should keep on wearing that. Man, I love seeing it. Nothing more attractive like seeing that. But yeah, keep doing the thing, ladies. I love to see it. So yeah, this is a nice video. Highlighting the braids and everything. If you want to watch more videos, just like, share, subscribe. I'll be doing vlogs. I'll be doing commenting on things I see, like reaction. And this is one of the reactions. Like, I just empower women. Like, keep wearing those beautiful things. It looks nice. you know yeah, like, share, subscribe. It's a boy Sugar Prince. I'm out. Love y'all.